All right, so today we're going to talk to you about a new feature that GE has on some of their ranges out. So a lot of brands are moving away from your traditional pyrolytic self-clean, which is going to be your high temperature self-clean cycle. That's where it runs at 800 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. It's really terrible for your range. There's a lot more electronics and stuff than there's ever been into ranges in the past, so that tends to expose them to unnecessary wear and tear. And it's also bad for your oven lining running at that kind of temperature as well. So they've moved to something called steam clean, and you'll see this on a lot of ranges today. And the way that would typically work is you take a little bit of water, pour it into the bottom of the oven, and then go ahead, and it runs about 250 degrees for about 45 minutes, and you get in, you wipe it all out. The wiping out portion takes some time, and then also that bottom can sometimes be difficult to get clean. So what GE did is they have this removable tray that actually just pulls out. And then this is actually hand washable. You can put it in your dishwasher. So any extra water that's laying in there, you can pull this out, dump it out in the sink, scrub this all up, and then you pump it back in. Also, for an electric range too, it makes it easy to service if you needed to get into that electric coil in the bottom of it. So that's a really simple feature. It just pops in and out like that, and it makes your life a lot easier in the long run.